everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear the cache of an app on your Samsung phone without deleting the app. If an app is taking up too much storage, running slowly, or you're experiencing some issues with it, clearing its cache can sometimes help. And the best part is that you can do this without uninstalling the app or deleting your personal data. So let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. If you don't see it on your home screen, simply swipe up to open the app drawer and find Settings there. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of the apps installed on your Samsung phone. Find the app whose cache you want to clear and tap on it. Now, tap on Storage. You'll see how much storage the app is currently using. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the Clear Cache option. Simply tap on Clear Cache and the cached files will be removed. This won't uninstall the app, and it won't delete your account or your personal data. It simply removes temporary files that the app has stored on your phone. You can repeat the same steps with other apps if you want to free up some additional storage or troubleshoot an app that's not working properly. Just make sure you tap on Clear Cache and not Clear Data. Clearing data is different because it can reset the app and remove saved settings or other locally stored information. And that's it. Now you know how to clear app cache on your Samsung phone without deleting the app or deleting your personal data.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.